Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. So for today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing a holiday glam look using the Zulu palette by Juvia'sPlace, and the first color that I'm going to go into is the yellow. And done by my nails, you guys. I just soaked off my nails, so they look a little ratchet, but it's okay. Okay, and so the next color I'm going into is that orange color, and I'm going to apply that in my crease and just blend that into the yellow. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to dip into is the brown. I'm going to blend that into my crease as well. Okay, so now that I'm finished cutting the crease, the next shade that I'm going to go in with is this gold shimmer shade out of the James Charles palette. I did lose the thing that had the names of the shades on it, so just to help out some, it is the third shade on the first row of the palette, if that helps you, if you want to recreate the look. But moving on, next I'm going to be adding a wing liner, so I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild liquid liner and do my wing. And I do apologize for my voice, you guys. I did just wake up to do this voiceover, so I do sound raspy and sound like I ain't got no type of energy. Alright, so I'm finished with the eye. I did the other eye off camera and applied lashes. The lashes that I did apply are the INV 13 lashes, Iconic 13 lashes. So moving on to the face, I'm using the E.L.F. Pourless Putty Primer to prime, and then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 335. Alright, and for concealer, I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, my favorite concealer at the moment, and I am in the shade Medium Beige. And like always, I always do a cream contour, so I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hill's foundation stick in the shade Cocoa to contour, and then I'm going to use her contour kit to set that contour. Alright, and to bake and set my face, I am going to be using the Mercier translucent powder. Alright, going back in to finish the eye look, I'm taking my black eyeliner and put it in my waterline. I believe the eyeliner is by Tarte. It's called Sex Kitten, one of my favorites. And then I'm just going to go back in with the same colors, the brown, the orange, and the yellow, and apply them on my bottom, lash line. Alright, and before I highlight, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Morphe setting spray. And then I am using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm also using a Maybelline highlighter. I don't know the name of it because I don't have it in front of me, but it will be listed in the description box. And for the lips, I'm going in with a NYX brown lip liner and lining my lips. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Free Spirit. Alright you guys, well this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this holiday glam look. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell. And I will see you guys later. Bye.